Settle down with me, cover me up, cuddle me in, lie down with me and hold me.
Ginagawa ko yung mga ito sa akin.
Sakaling isang pagkain si Daniel, ano siya?
Adobo.
Pandesal. Paano mo gasisimula ng umaga mo?
But they don't know me yet. I'm with a feeling I forget. I'm in love now. Kiss me like you wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. Wanna be loved. This feels like falling in love. Falling in love. Falling in love. Settle down with me, and I'll be your safe.
Tumatanda ka habang tumatagal, mas naintindihan mo na kay ganun pala yung love. Minsan masaya, minsan nahihirapan ka, and andun yung thrill.
To keep your body warm, but I'm cold as the wind blows. So hold me in your arms. Oh no, my heart's against your chest. Your lips pressed to my neck. I'm falling for your eyes, but they don't know me yet. And with this feeling I'll forget. I'm in love now. Kiss me like you